Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Radiating Beauty with myself, Denise. That's me. I'm Denise. So lovely to see you. It's been a few weeks. I sorely apologize. It has been a hectic 2024. I am a healthcare worker, a shift worker, and we got a new rotation in 2024, and it means that I work every second weekend. And now that I am trying to do one in every other weekend, it makes it even a little bit more challenging. That's neither here nor there. Today's video, I thought it would be fun because of course I received my BoxyCharm by Ipsy for January 2024, and I was trying to shoot that video as well. But anyways, either way, one of the items I got was this item here, which is the Ofra, and it is the Signature Palette Luxe, and I thought it was so pretty. There is basically 5 shadows with this kind of like their famous Rodial Drive highlighter in it. So I thought it would be fun if instead of sharing what I got in my Ipsy box for January, I would just do an everyday look because I'm literally getting ready to hit the day run. So let us just create a little look with this. These are all just kind of very neutral, which if you know me, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that even though I absolutely love colorful eyeshadow palettes, the ones that I wear on the daily, especially at work, is palettes like this called Truffle, just because this looks like a really nice color. Just picking up a little bit of that. I have no idea how this is all going to pan out because I have tried Ofra highlighters. I've just never really tried their eyeshadows before. So and you can see, of course, or appreciate that I am a hooded eye babe and I am over 45, so you just kind of have a little added challenges to it. Anyways, a fluffy blending brush, just gonna go in, and I always of course take that transitional color and I start just above the natural crease. That's actually really pretty. It does kind of look, it's a little bit warmer than I would think truffle. You know, when I think of truffles, like I think of real truffles, the mushrooms, and they are kind of like a cooler tone brown, but hey, maybe they're talking chocolate truffles, which would certainly fit more in this category. Going to go in here and do the same on that side. And again, this is not a tutorial. This is just a little eyeshadow look that I wanted to create, because oftentimes, you know, we get the same boxes, but we don't always see like people applying them. So, and even if you do, you're not always seeing people applying them that's your age or that has the same sort of skin or complexion. So it's just nice to kind of get a variable of people trying these products on, and it really looks so pretty that I was so tempted to just give this a shot today. So anyways, really pretty chocolate brown right there, just called brown. So I'm gonna just take that on more of a blender as opposed to a shader, and I'm just gonna deepen the outer third because that's kind of my look and what I do all the time in my day-to-day. And we'll just see how that plays with the truffle, which is quite nice actually. I really like kind of like doing this look, a clean blending brush. So just this one here, and I'm just gonna blend in and kind of sweep it across like the actual crease and just sort of see. It disappeared a little, but I didn't put a lot. So let's just reapply. Let's try that again. Brush and just sweep in. I really, let's see how that plays this time. Let's try that on the other eye. So I don't know if you received this actual eyeshadow palette, but if you are a BoxyCharm by Ipsy subscriber, I'm sure it will be in the drop shop. Clean blending brush, and so far I'm really liking it. Actually, they feel like silky smooth on the eye. They are blending out really nicely. So yeah, that is so pretty though. I love that look where you apply just the darker shade on the outside. Take a smaller little blender. This was definitely a brush I received in one of my BoxyCharms by Ipsy. And I think I'm gonna go in with truffle at the bottom. So just for a little continuity there, I'm just gonna take that and I'm just gonna brush it just ever so softly on the bottom and just kind of bring it up. A tiny little flick. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. I could see these colors actually working for a lot of people. Now let's go in with the Rodial Drive. And if you've never tried Ofra's highlighters, and Rodial Drive is like one of their most popular. I mean, I think then you're sort of cheating yourself if you're a makeup junkie. I mean, there's lots of great highlighters out there, but this is like the perfect pan size for just creating that little bit of a razzle dazzle in your eyes. And like just look how the light catches that. This kind of like, you know, 3 eyeshadow look is just the simplicity of it, but how it really sets your eyes up. Like if you have blue or green eyes, I want to take this little point brush, I want to take a little bit of Rodial Drive on there and just kind of hit the inside, because again, I'm sure you've seen many times, this look just gives you that eye brightening effect, which I just think is so, so pretty. So now I'm going to take my Nikki LaRose and BK Beauty brush, this angled liner, and just do a stamped line on the top. So I'm just going to do a stamped line here. I'm going to get my mirror and just very carefully do a stamp line on top. So literally you're stamping it. You don't even have to drag the color. And then you can give yourself that little bit of a flick at the end. It's just really nice. I find it's just a little bit softer than you would do otherwise. And it just makes the look complete, full, like, love this effect. There you go. That looks really great. Okay, let's just curl the lashes. So if you are a little squeamish about curling lashes, then just look away, because I know some people are funny about that. Okay, and I did find my mascara. Supposed to have collagen and beeswax in order to sort of help to, I guess, condition your lashes. Tried it yesterday. Don't know how I feel entirely. Like, I think it's an okay mascara, but I didn't think it was anything special. But I have thrown my other mascaras away. So, yeah, so this is the mascara today that I'm using. So just gonna go in there. And remember, I mean, I did curl my lashes, so there is that. And I'm just trying to stay on kind of the ends, not going too close to the eye. I don't know, it seems like it's either allergies or something's going on, but I've had a lot of like eye watering and redness. And like I said, woke up 2 days ago with that, you know, patch of very scaly, dry red skin there on the other eye. So okay, well, I mean, I think that it's an okay mascara. It's a reasonably wet formulation. Again, I've seen Rodial quite a few times in my local drugstore here in Canada at Shoppers Drug Mart. I know that they have some like fairly popular products. I don't know if mascara is their forte, but you know, when you get it in your BoxyCharm, you use it. So I will say it's not clumpy, it's not bad. I don't recall if there was any flaking yesterday. I don't think so. And it was not hard to get off. So I guess there's that. So just an extra coat. Not dipping into the bottle as much, just adding an extra layer, if you will. I mean, I would have to say that this little Ofra signature palette, Luxe, in this very neutral 4 shades with, of course, the Rodial Drive highlighter. All right. Anyways, this is the look that I created, just an everyday neutral look. Very, very pretty for the eyes. It's like work appropriate. You could certainly go with a much darker lid and then hit it with Rodial Drive, or you do have these 2 shimmers. Like I said, you have Divine, which I've already highlighted for you, which is absolutely beautiful, and you also have this one in clay, so you're not limited to certainly any type of using any highlighter. Those are so pretty. I hope you like this very short video, and I hope to edit it and uploaded it for you today. And do me a favor, if you're new to my channel, I am a Canadian YouTuber out here in Western Canada, and I love doing YouTube videos for the 45 plus working gal that works hard for her money. Like I said, that's me, and I know that's you. So if you are the same, it would be wonderful to have you as part of this great little community that I have here. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your weekend and a great week ahead. Bye for now. Bye.